Welcome.
Hello and good morning, everyone. Following our series, you would know that we have just concluded our parts 1, 2, and 3 video lectures. If you have not watched them yet, I highly recommend that you do because there are a lot of information provided for you there. So again, welcome all of you to today's lecture. This is the last part of our 4-part video lecture series on billing and coding for routine food care services. Today, we will practice what we have learned from our 3 video lectures. Full disclosure, the sources of my lectures are CMS website, CPT and ICD-10 CM coding books, and other website resources. I will be quiet while presenting you all the problem scenarios, the questions, the answers, and the explanations associated to the answers. I will let you read the problems on your own. I will give you the time to read. And if you do need more time, more than what I have allotted for this presentation, please feel free to pause the video and just click on play whenever you are ready to resume. So, happy coding! offered on Medicare patients in our video lecture part 3. Lastly, today we applied what we learned in some example scenarios. I hope you enjoyed our series lectures on foot care services in an outpatient setting. I appreciate your support. Happy coding!